Join me in rendering some beef tallow. First, I gather a starting weight, then add it to a large pot, add some water, and lots of salt. Put the flame on for a high heat, put a lid on, and set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, after that 10 minutes, then check it out. Check your water levels, give it a good spin, make sure the temperature's not too hot. Okay, then put your lid back on, adjust your temperature, and set it again for 10 minutes. Okay, same step as before, check your temperature, check your water levels, give it a good spin, and put the lid back on. This time we'll set it for 30 minutes and lower the temperature. After that 30 minutes, it looks like I lost some water, so I'm going to add about 3 cups. Give it a good spin, mash up some of those chunkier bits, and set the timer again for 30 minutes. After that 30 minutes, it's time to bring out the potato masher to break down those chunkier bits into really fine pieces like this. And at this point, we can't really break down that thicker material anymore, so we're just going to go ahead and start straining it out from the liquid. Give it a good squeeze, get all that liquid out, and we're left with this gorgeous golden goodness. Then we'll put a lid on and put it into the refrigerator for 8 to 24 hours to solidify. Once it's solidified, then we remove it from its water and then we look underneath because that's where all the impurities have settled. And to remove the impurities, I use a very sharp knife and just scrape the thin layer surface until it's as clean and clear as possible. After that, back into the pot it goes with some extra water and some more salt, and mix it all together for another round of rendering. Once the salt, tallow, and water have all combined, then I pour it into a smaller bowl, and back into the fridge it goes for another 8 to 24 hours to solidify. Once it's solidified, I will separate it from the water again and check the bottom of the disc to see the impurities. Yep, you guessed it, same process as before, using a sharp knife and scraping the surface to remove any and all impurities that I see. It's really clear with this second rendering process how little there are impurities in this round than there was before. This part of the process is always so satisfying and kind of therapeutic and just really satisfying to see and remove all of the impurities and to see you're one step closer to having beautiful, clear, clean, pristine tallow disc. All right, the third and final rendering process, adding some water and lots of salt, and just really want to make sure we get all those impurities out. And then we blend and combine them all in together, transferring it into a smaller bowl, and back into the fridge for another 8 to 24 hours to solidify. Okay, let's see what we got here. And look at that, woohoo! All the impurities are gone. The third rendering works like a charm. Just going to do one more last scrape, and from here it's pretty much ready for use of herbal infusions or for culinary use. Final weight is 1 pound 7.9 ounces.
And that's it. It's a little time consuming, but pretty easy overall. Check out my website, daughterofearth.com, for all of my herbal infused tallow offerings, and thanks for hanging with me.